Yagani ke Madan artificial turf kejakai lekai basketball pada ke projek Rapted lepi du menteri rang ba ke jelau Conrad kongkal sangma kum kongsan. Rengkat ke jingdon lang menteri ketenat sports and youth affairs ke jelau ba Syakler Warjeri, UMLA ke Meliam constituency uba Ronnie Willingdo, UMLA Barim ke Meliam constituency uba Hamlet Sondoling, ubelong ru nong aibut jung menteri rang ba ke jelah. Chief Secretary ke Jelau ba DP Walang, ke Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills Ikong RM Kurba, Superintendent ki Pulit ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM, ki Head Officer Sarkar ki Nonggelam Shillong ke Nongkseh, ki Nonggelam ke Nongkseh Sports and Cultural Club bat ki Pat Bat Nongshok Shillong. Ya ke Madan artificial turf lashna ke jinglut ke bekot R. Sau Klur Tengka. Bat ya ke project Rapted la pelut ha ke jingmang pisah ke ba iway point not san Klur Tengka. Bat ikan yang Madan nilai kai basketball latih hepok exposi. Kum kadak mana ke jingkershan ya ke Nongkseh Sports and Cultural Club uba Hamlet Sondoling. Ula ai kesong jengarap ke ba Shilak Tengka u Presiden jong neka club uba Daniel Thankhiu. Haba ajing keran ke jingyalang u Conrad kongkal sangma u lepen pau bo udap de jing sohun bani i ke berale akshnong Nongkseh. Namal kladon shisha ke jingkala bad ulong kane kamdi satya tang Madan Footbal. Ndai ke dekat dak jong ke jingkiu seprang balale ye kikam banwara ke jingkala ke bashisha. Ulong baleng ba ke jingdon kane Madan kan long ke jing mentoy ben sei ke sub jong kinong ilakai bad on omla apat ban kemilenti bamare dap shnai ke Madan ilakai ken mi no mardor kinong ilakai ke ben ilakai ha ke World Cup. Ha ke bayadai bad ka project Rapted u Conrad kongkal sama ulong bakane ke project kebon rae ke jingkala da ke betrai lang bat kari Japan na do ke jing penan kami gitar gitar bepher bad ya utit u bapen on dia tang hapok ke jela ne kari ndre on diru hakiyo ki badan hak keleng kiri.
I still recall coming here when there was nothing on this ground. It was a very not that maintained, I should say, ground, and yet I remember our youngsters used to still play, and even I think this building also was just being constructed during that time, and of course I came to inaugurate it, and when I came to inaugurate it, that's when we had surveyed this field to see how we can improve the overall infrastructure out here. And all I can say is I'm deeply satisfied. That's all I can say. I'm very, very satisfied to see what has happened out here. And I don't want to be sounding too over dramatic, but I don't feel like I'm in Nongkseh actually. Don't mind putting it that way, because it is a complete transformation, I should say. And it has just uplifted the overall feel. And I think I'm sure the residents will feel it more than me, that you really feel that positivity that comes in. It's not just about the playground, but I think the overall positivity that it creates. And I'm so happy. That's the reason I use the word I'm satisfied to see the kind of work that is taking place. And I want to reiterate to all of you, and to the people, in fact, of the state at large, that this is not just, a football ground or a ground, an artificial turf, but really it is, in a way, a symbol of the kind of progress that our state is making today. The kind of work that we are doing dedicatedly to bring that change and to bring that difference. 5 crores for any youth club, you will get up to 2 lakh rupees, minimum 1 lakh, up to 2 lakh rupees to do any program that you want. You want sports materials you want to buy, you want to have a football tournament, you want to have environment cleanliness program. Meghalaya government through Yes Meghalaya, through the sports department, will help you organize this. And today, most organizations are not applying for it. So I think we are, in fact, discussing with the Minister, we need to go for a much larger reach out program. But I'm using this opportunity to ask our youth clubs, please apply for Yes Meghalaya schemes. This is all online. You just have to register, apply for it, and you will get the money for it.